Hello guys, how are you? This is Abby and I'm back with a new video. In this video I will show you a bunch of simple Excel functions. Alright, so the first one that I want to show you is called concatenate. Okay, concatenate is a function in Excel, okay, that combines the values of two cells. Alright, so you see right here, okay, I have got two columns. The first one has got the list of company and the second one consists of the ratings, right? So if I wanted to combine the data of these two cells, say I wanted to show the data of these two cells in one single cell, how do I do that? Well, there is a special function called concatenate in Excel that allows you to do that. Let me show you how this works. So I go to the function dialog box and from here, okay, I choose concatenate. Okay, I've chosen concatenate and I will give the first cell number and the second cell number. When I press on OK, I get them in one single cell, right? I could do the same for this cells, these two cells as well. Once again, okay, I'm going to choose concatenate. Now I'm going to give the cell number, these two cells. Now I get this. Oh, this is how concatenation works. Okay, it combines two cells. So guys, the second function that I want to show you is how you can make a drop-down menu in Excel. Okay, so I have got this column, right, this list of companies right here, and what if I wanted to show this list of companies, okay, through a drop-down menu. Whenever you click on this cell, you're gonna get a drop-down menu, and from the menu you can choose the companies. How do I do that? You have to go to data option, okay, and from data option you need to go to data validation and choose data validation. So we need to choose list from this dialog box, and after that you need to get the source. Now this is the source, right? Now I click on OK. Now I get this drop down menu. So when I click on this down arrow, I get all the list of companies, so I can choose either one of them. Okay, see, I can choose Facebook, I can choose Toyota, and use Domino's, I can choose KFC. So this is how simple it is in Excel. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.